Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another income pick. Crude oil is volatile, with prices hinging on supply-demand metrics, economic conditions, and how OPEC is feeling at any given point. Though, thanks to record production from the US, OPEC is less of a threat to oil and gas prices than it was before. And with the US expected total crude and natural gas production next year, the outlook for Dorchester Minerals LP, traded on Nasdaq under symbol DMLP, remains pretty solid. John?
Yeah, thanks again, Mo. Dorchester Mineral is a natural gas and oil exploration and production company. Dorchester Minerals owns royalty properties, otherwise known as interests, in about 593 counties and parishes in 28 states. Now, this diversity actually gives it exposure to virtually every single oil and gas producing basin in the US, which allows the partnership to take full advantage of multiple commodity prices and development cycles. Dorchester Minerals independent engineering consultants have estimated that its total proved reserve and gas reserves are, I think, 92.7 billion cubic feet of natural gas equivalent. Now, approximately half of the company's proved reserves are oil and 42% are gas.
What does its dividend look like?
Yeah, thanks to higher oil prices, Dorchester Minerals' dividend and share price remain pretty robust. With inflation coming down and interest rates on the decline and the chances of a soft landing for the economy looking like a real possibility, the outlook remains pretty bright too. As an energy exploration and production company, Dorchester pays quarterly distributions that fluctuate based on oil and gas prices, which are in turn based on supply and demand. Now, lately, Dorchester has been doing quite well. For the third quarter, ended September 30th, the company announced net income of $29.46 million or 73 cents per share. This resulted in a third quarter distribution of 0.845 per unit or $3.40 on an annual basis for a current yield of 11.24%. And to put that number in context, that's more than triple the current inflation rate of 3.14%.
How are DMLP shares doing recently?
Well, shares of Dorchester have been doing quite well since the pandemic, up 423%, I think, from their March 2020 lows. More recently, on July 20th, Dorchester stock hit a record high of $31.52, while Dorchester, the shares are down slightly from there, trading near $30. They're still up around 12.5 cents year to date and roughly 20% year over year. Now, for technical traders, the outlook for Dorchester stock looks pretty bullish, with share price recently crossing above the 50-week moving average, just like on December 8th. This suggests that Dorchester stock is likely in an established uptrend. While the U.S. expected to avoid a recession, inflation coming down, and expected interest rate cuts in 2024, it'll actually be pretty interesting to see how Dorchester Minerals does in a more oil and gas friendly environment.
Thank you so much for your insight. Dorchester Minerals is not known for its flashy press releases with flowery comments from management. In fact, you never hear from corporate. The company lets its numbers speak for themselves. And this company has been reporting consistent quarterly financial results and paying out a reliable high-yield dividend. The outlook for Dorchester Minerals stock is solid. The North American oil and gas industry raked in record profits in 2022, and the momentum is expected to continue. In 2024, the West Texas Intermediate crude is projected to average around $93.40 per barrel, while natural gas prices are expected to average $3.23 per million British thermal units, up 24% from 2023 average price of $2.61. All things equal, this should end up benefiting DMLP stockholders. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on our top 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.